Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. After installing and connecting Dancing Numbers with QuickBooks Desktop, we can start importing, exporting, or deleting the information in your QuickBooks company file as required. To start importing any type of list or transactions supported by QuickBooks Pro, Premier, or the Enterprise Solutions, we can click on Start. And on the next screen, we need to click to browse to select the file, the Excel sheet that needs to be imported. Now, as we have the multiple sheets in there, and today in this example, we are going to try importing the sales receipts. So similarly, on the right hand side for the QuickBooks transaction or the list type, I'm going to choose sales receipts as well and click next. Click OK to the message. Now this is the file preview to show you what information we have in the Excel sheet, and we can click next. On the mapping screen, we can either click the drop down and choose the field columns manually one by one, or we can click on field match to have that automatically selected and populated as well. Now if you would like to save this mapping, you can click on Save As, and also you can click on Load Map in future if you need to import more sales receipts and save time. And we can click Next. Now this is the File Updates screen, which shows the final preview that this is how the data will be imported, and we can click on Next. On the Missing References screen, if there is a new customer, item, vendor, any of the information that is not there in your QuickBooks company file yet, it's going to help you to create them automatically right here. Now since there are no missing references, we can click on Import File and click OK to the message. Now depending on how much information or how many entries do we have for the sales receipts, it may take some time. Even if they are multi-line transactions, it is still going to support it. So we click Close. As you see, these are the multiple lines transactions have been imported for the sales receipts in your QuickBooks company file. Thank you.